Yeah, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are reacting to Blue Angels and Thunderbirds fly over New York City. 17 minutes and 5 seconds. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Don't know why I said the time. That was completely unnecessary. Do we really need to watch these people getting in? Do that. Whoa. Those are like all shining at the exact same time. Those are the Thunderbirds. The Blue Angels are like blue and yellow. Yeah. Can we speed this up, please? Okay. That dude sitting underneath the plane must be horrified. I mean, I would be horrified. You can't, okay. What the heck are they doing? Probably handshake from a distance. I don't know. Secret handshake from a distance. That's now on YouTube twice. Maybe even multiple times if other people reacted. Oh, stupid ads. Grammarly, nobody cares. 2, 1, yeah. Blue Angels. Personally, I'm a huge Blue Angels fan. Everybody's clapping for some reason. I don't really know why. Can we just hurry up and get to the... I know I'm very negative today, but can we just hurry up and get to the... Sorry, that last part I said, can we just hurry up and get to the flying part? Thank you. I'm looking forward. Da, 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 da. Hurry up and get to that flying part. Aviation is not stuff on the ground, I don't think. Yeah, okay. Hurry up. Good. That's one of the white and red planes. Thunderbirds. It's one of the Thunderbirds. It's loud. That's loud. That's loud. I'm gonna keep it muted the entire video. Wee. Now that looks fun. I wouldn't want to I wouldn't want to pilot one of those. Whoa, but I would definitely want to be in the cockpit, like riding. I don't know why I just said that, but that kind of looks fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is, I get a C. Why aren't they wearing oxygen masks? Whoa. You're already doing tricks in the air. There's the Blue Angels, I'm pretty sure, back there. I can't see it, but and then I'm pretty sure that's a Blue Angel right there. Yeah, I think that is. Over New York City. I don't see the Statue of Liberty. I don't know what way they're going. Which way is that way and the other way and anyway. But yeah. If you look in the reflection of the windows, like there's tons of gadgets and gears. I mean, obviously there is, but yeah. Okay. Whoa, here comes the smoke. Oh, what they're looking at is pretty. That's cool. Oh, boats. Personally, I am not a boat fan. Do not put me on a boat, please. Yeah. That is amazing. I'm okay with being on planes. Boats, no. How fast are they going? They should just put a, like, little speedometer or whatever those are called somewhere. Not the metric system though, just the customary system, not KISTM. Not the customary KISTM. The customary system. Why are they wearing a neck? Why is he wearing a neck thingy? Well, I mean, he has tons of gear on, so that, I don't know. That's amazing. Is that like a tennis court? I don't know. I don't know a lot about New York. Actually, I hardly know anything about New York. Yeah. Okay. How long? How much more? That I have to wait for 11 minutes. You can't see it. This camera is only focusing on things down here, not up there. Okay, we get it. Just get back. Get back into the cockpit. I'm extremely cranky today. What's going on with that dude? Who's like just missing everything. Some of them are information, some of them aren't. What's with this crazy camera angle? Okay. This is just getting a little headachy. That's a little headachy. Oh my goodness, stop. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Can I? Okay, okay. Good. That's absolutely crazy. They literally have a camera. If you look in the reflection, they literally have a camera that's on a string that just like moves around. It's crazy. Also, how do I get rid? Okay, good. Whoa. There's the Blue Angels, and then there's the things. I don't see any. Oh. That. Oh, Blue Angels. You can get your screenshots now. Link to the video will be down in the description. Are there little things down there? Okay. So that it, rest of his just pictures, no? Okay. Look at him. Oh, that's the dude that has the crazy camera angle, I think. I don't know. You're not too long. Okay, good. No, not this camera angle. Oh, please, no. I hate this camera angle. You know, I'm just gonna shut up for a little bit and just let you guys watch without me talking. Couple seconds, I don't care how long that was, that you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. No. Okay, I'm getting what I'm getting and I'm throwing a fit. Okay, good. Ooh. Woo! Now get back inside the cockpit. Where is it? Oh, it's way up here. Can we, like, editors crop it? I don't know. Editors do something helpful. This one is literally just falling behind. Get back up, little dude. Flying over whatever bridge that is. See, that one is like just alone. Stupid ads. This dude's either chewing gum or talking. Okay, yeah. 2, 4, 3, something else, 5. What's this dude's number? Please, please tell me. I need to know. I need to know! Look at all that stuff that's going haywire there. Stuff going haywire down there. Actually, I don't think it's going haywire. I think it's just something with the camera. But, I don't know. Like with dash cams, construction signs on the highway. It's like... I'm kind of a reactor and a gamer. See, I'm pretty sure the last gaming video I did was Creatures of Narnia. Also, I am creating a book. It's gonna be called Collie, the Border Collie. Just for your information. Or FYI. If you never knew what FYI stands for, it stands for your information. I don't have enough time to watch all of this. So. Also, yes, now you can see I have subscribed to him. I haven't liked this video. I don't know. Yeah, I did. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, guys. Ooh. We haven't seen the Thunderbirds in a while. Honestly, I have to say I like the Blue Angels better. Personally. Oh, they're refueling midair. How did I not notice that? Why are they so high? Like, get down where the Blue Angels are. Is this even New York? There's like farmland. Is there farmland in New York? I don't know. Whoa. That's sick. Wow. Refueling midair. Wow. That's... Get your screenshots, ladies and gentlemen. Get your screenshots. Okay. Okay, we're back in here, finally. My favorite view of them all. Are there mirrors on the side? Oh, probably to see what's outside. Fly together over New York City. Why am I scrolling down? I don't know. Oh, stupid that. Okay. I think that's New York City. Yay, now it's my turn to get refueled. I understand what's so hard with saying stuff. Now that view, that is scary. That's just scary. Can we get out of this camera angle, please? That's just scary. That's better. I mean, it's not as good as the interior of the Blue Angels, but who cares? That's better. I'm not even looking at it. Well, now I am. I'm just kind of doing stuff. Okay, we get it. Get out of this camera angle right now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it right here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Wait. Maybe. Now, I haven't watched this video at all before this, so I do not remember any. Of course I don't remember anything if I've never watched this video before. What? 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 They're literally in space. That's space. That's space. I would not be comfortable with flying that high from a couple seconds ago. That's just a little bit too high for me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Yeehaw, brother.